And it led me right to some chicken of the woods. Check it out, I'll show you in a moment. I followed the trail, alright? And then I noticed this tree here. I said something looks chickeny about this log. Something looks chickeny. Not fishy, chickeny. Sure enough, this chicken in the woods growing on this weird, I never saw chicken in the woods grow on such a weird log. Look at this. And then look, it turns into nothing right up here. It's like, it's nothing. Anyway, that's chicken 162. Doodly doodly doo. Chicken 162. Look at that sidewinder going into that. It's just all snow cones, folks. Just all harmless snow cone material. After all, jets don't run on fuel, and no specific kind, of course. You're out of your mind. Huh. Look at the cloud wall forming in the background here. This is what I was showing this morning, or earlier this afternoon. Let's get out of here.